before you start a project, I suggest take pictures of any little of the whole seat, how it goes back together, how it's sewn. You can take videos of how it's sewn, and any little special places like this one and this seat. You can tell they put the bottom cover on first because this top part covers the bottom here. So stuff like that. You can take notes. That way you can always refer back to your notes when you're putting it back together and sewing it back together on any special things that go on with this. Another thing is, like, these two bucket seats are exactly the same. So you can take one off and break it down to get your patterns. And you can leave one still attached to the frame. And that way, if you have any questions putting this one back on or have any questions on how it was sewn, you can refer back to this one. That's completely together. And when you're reinstalling it back on the seat frame, you can just go back and look at this one for reference. You're unfamiliar with something, then you can go back and refer back to your notes, your videos, your pictures, and to the actual seat that's still attached and still intact. So that's just something that I was going to let you know, and some suggestion that might help you out. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment below.